Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Finance Minister Audley Shaw says based on strong tax inflows in the current fiscal year, it is unlikely that he'll be announcing a new tax package for the upcoming fiscal year. Mr. Shaw made the disclosure as he addressed the monthly Mayberry Investments Investor Forum on Wednesday. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Taxes flowing in. The Finance Ministry not as cash strapped as it once was.
As of the end of December, I'm $13 billion ahead in revenue.
So collecting billions more than expected in taxes, a bold announcement on what to expect when the budget is presented in February.
With this trajectory, it is not the government plan to introduce a tax package in the new budget that is coming up.
So what's the plan? With his signal that for the first time in more than a decade, no new taxes will be announced when the budget is ready.
We're going to concentrate on non-tax initiatives. We have to do things to make sure that everybody who is importing things, they pay their fair share at the wharf.
Going after leakages at the ports, he said equipment will be bought to scan every container and barrel coming into Jamaica.
All I want is a fair system where everybody pays their duty. And you know something? If everybody pays, we can actually reduce the customs duty.
That aside, Mr. Shaw says he's targeting more spending on infrastructure projects to push growth held back by high taxes, used to build the primary surplus, which in turn is used to pay down the debt.
When the time is appropriate, we'll seek to get it further down to 6.5% and then 6% and on its way down.
The primary surplus was cut from 7.5% to 7% in 2016, freeing up funds to allow for additional spending on certain projects. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The Bank of Jamaica has cut its policy rate to a historic low 3%. The central bank, in cutting the rate, said it reflects its assessment that inflation for the next 2 years should remain within its target range of 4 to 6%. It says the key risk is growth being weaker than anticipated. Inflation picked up in recent months as agricultural prices and electricity costs increased. In the meantime, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.03. The Canadian dollar is selling for $98.83. The pound sterling is costing $172.85, while the euro is costing $153.75. The JSE index gained more than 1,531 points, while the junior market lost 4 today. Stocks posting gains included Berger Paints, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Financial, Panjam, and Salada Foods. The losers included 1834 Investments, Dolphin Cove, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Wharves, NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, Seprod, and Wisinco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.